Let's make some Easter Scotch eggs. These are perfect for breakfast with a combination of tea or porridge or any juice. Mmm, yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreams Queen. In today's video we will be doing something very interesting. As you've seen by the title, we will be trying out Easter Scotch eggs recipe. So guys, let's get right into the video. To make Easter Scotch eggs, we will require sausages, flour, eggs, a mixer or a blender, spices and salt. Homemade breadcrumbs, because we forgot to buy breadcrumbs. Into a pan, go in with 2 slices of bread till they dry. No oil, just dry them there. In another fireplace, heat a sufuria. Here we are going to boil the eggs. Cover the sufuria and let the eggs boil. Back to the slices, make sure they are dry. Keep spinning them around till they are well dried and crusty. Once crispy and crusty, switch off the heating source and take the slices off the heating source, ready to be teared down to be put in the blender or in the mixer for crushing till they become breadcrumbs. Let's go. Once done, switch off the blender. In my case, I'm using a mixer. Once well crushed, remove the breadcrumbs from the mixer. You can see how soft they are, how crushed they are. So pour them into a bowl, whereby we will season it with some salt. Then we'll go in with some black pepper. We'll go in with some barbecue sauce, or to bring the meatiness in the Easter Scotch eggs. Mix the spices and the breadcrumbs till well combined. Then when they're well combined into seasoned breadcrumbs, we will take the sausages and peel them off to create the coat, the meaty coat that is supposed to coat the boiled eggs. As you can see, I'm peeling off the skin so that it will be easy to mash and act as a coat. Let's do this. Once the sausages are ready, we go in with a fork and mash them into fine paste. Mash till they become a fine paste. Mash done. Now they are a fine paste, as you can see. Yeah. So next, we are removing the eggs from the heating point because they are already boiled. Yeah. Then we are going to add cold water to them so that they can do what? So that they can cool down and be easy for peeling. Into a pan, pour oil and let it heat. Meanwhile, we are going to beat some eggs. Hey, not some eggs, one egg. Yeah, beat until well beaten. Then we are going to remove the coat of the boiled eggs. You first beat them up to become soft, then go in with a teaspoon to remove the coat. See how easy it is once you have beaten them up. Yes, so that they can be disciplined. You beat them up so that they remove well. Then we are going to dust the eggs. Go in with the eggs, you dust them. Using white hands, we are going to encase one boiled egg with the sausages. So wetting your hands makes this process easier and quicker. Using dry hands makes the whole process difficult for you and anyone who's trying out this. Dip the combination in the beaten egg, and after that we are going to coat it with the seasoned breadcrumbs. Once seasoned, in goes our Easter Scotch eggs into medium high heat oil. Let it fry till golden brown. Repeat the following procedures for the other Easter Scotch eggs and you have all of them ready. So we have our Easter Scotch eggs ready. We do away with the leftover ingredients like the breadcrumbs and the beaten egg. So, oof, nice. We're going to garnish our Easter Scotch eggs with a sauce of our choice. Here I'm using chili sauce and tomato sauce for those who like chili and those who don't take chili. They'll use tomato sauce. Listen to that sound, how crispy it is. Then you're going to cut it in the middle. Juicy. Nice. Sorry I don't have a sharp knife, so the shape is not that well good. So I'm going to try it. Trial 2. Don't finish that thing. Don't finish. Don't finish. Don't finish. Do not. Hey! She has finished it. And she says it's yummy. Oh. Wow. Let me call her out because her mouth is full. That is bad table manners. Anyway, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel like you need to watch other recipes, I've made homemade buttercream. I've also made brown ugali. I've made banana smoothie. So if you need to check out any of those, visit my profile and I'll tell you. Till next time, bye.